Hello! It's really windy up on the plot today, so let's just make this a whistle-stop tour. Make it as painless for you and for me as possible. Right, here we go. I've been up, I've started a bit of watering, got bored, picked up the camera. Big onion looking delicious. Rabbit-proofed. Shallots. Rabbit-proofed up to a point. As you can see, the bastards are now nibbling the tops of these shoots. They've left the onions alone, thankfully. So, that'll do, pig, that'll do. We've got broad beans up here. This is the first tribe. How do I know that the rabbits are still around? I had a row of peas here. Everyone has been chewed off. These, my friends, are two courgette plants. Courgette number 1, courgette number 2. Undercover, because when I did plant these out, Mr. Rabbit came along, chewed one of the leaves. So I'll let these establish for another week or so, and then that should be enough. I'll take this insect mesh off. If Prince ever grew vegetables in his back garden, do you think he grew little red courgettes? I've been working on that gag all day. Onions, like I said. A couple of shallots that were pestered by the crows and now are being nibbled by you-know-who. More shallots, undercover, protected. Suck that, rabbit. Runner beans. The first lot I planted were eaten. The second lot I protected. I learned from my mistakes, people. Not often. Courgette. Courgette. Lettuce. Eaten by, but now protected. This here is a, I think it's called a Scarlet. And, oh Christ, I've forgotten to bring up, I bought a protective cloche for this, because as soon as I take this out of the little insect mesh here, the pigeons will be onto it, as will you-know-who. God, that's annoyed me. What a ball bag. French climbing beans, starting to snake their way up the obelisk and looking decent. Broad bean tribe number 2. That's it. That's all I have to say about that. After 15 attempts at trying to grow carrots on the plot this year, I just gave up. They never came up. They were just, I don't know. However, my second attempt at beetroot has proved successful so far. I'm worried that if I take this mesh off, they'll be gone. Got to cut all this, string all this in a second. 2 secret plants. Secret plant number 1, secret plant number 2. You can have a guess, if you like, in the comment section below as to what you think these might be. There's no prizes. All will be revealed later on in the year. This one's doing exactly as I wanted it to. It's growing this way. This one, I obviously oriented the wrong way around and it's heading off in that direction, so it's going to be all over the path later on in the year. There's a bloody blackbird stuck in my neighbour's fruit cage, which is giving me stress in the head. You might not be able to see it. There it is. Can you see it? Oh God, I don't know how long he's going to be stuck in there for. I may have to go around and open up the gate just to free him, because it's going to play on my mind. if I don't get that guy out. So stressful being an allotment owner. Right, look at those there. 3, 4 sacrificial leti. What is the plural for? It is lettuce, isn't it? Nibbled, chewed on. Let's go down here. Lavender, absolutely fantastic. Love the stuff. People moan about it and say, oh, it's, you know, I don't know, old ladies love lavender. Well, I love it. Call me an old lady if you fancy it. More lavender down here. That's been and gone. Nothing came of the gooseberries. In fact, the gooseberries haven't happened for years now, so it may just pay me to dig this lot out and replant with something else. Broad bean tribe number 3. They are ready for picking, I think. Absolutely. So I may take some tonight and have them for my Sunday lunch. Oh God, what is it? Turnips under there. We have, what do we have here? Tree lily, that's it. Here we've got, oh my God, lupin, that's it. The seed pods for lupin, potential seeds for next year. Who knows? Bastard bramble. Peony. Peony has been in the plot now for certainly 2 years, coming on for 3, and it's done F all. It has never given me a flower. That's what I say to a peony. Two hollyhock plants. When I first planted them, I thought they were a goner. It seemed like they've settled in okay. Yeah, I doubt whether I'll be getting a flower this year, but certainly next year. Second tree lily. Loads of buds at the top here, being ravaged by the Scarlet lily beetle, as you can see. But hopefully, when the time's ready, these will all open. And everything will be cushy. There we go. And here are, oh, Jesus Christ, I want to swear. Oh man, my dahlia, it looks like it's been eaten. There's another one. Oh Christ almighty, I'm gonna have to protect this somehow now. Who would have thought that rabbits would have eaten dahlia leaves? I hope it gives them the shits. Man, that's annoyed me. Oh, alright. Well, I'm up here to trim the grass and give everything a big drink. And now it seems I need to protect my dahlias. Alright, why don't I do that? Also, the blackbird is giving me stress in the head. I'm going to have to go over there and just open up that cage door. Hopefully he'll fly out. And I just wanted a chilled out bloody evening up at the plot. Dahlias, blackbirds, whatever. But things are really pushing on now. I'm really happy about mystery plant 1 and 2. Alright, let's get strimming and saving birds. couldn't get into the plot through the gate, as you'd think. Instead, I had to hurdle this fence and caught my left testicle on the top there. So I'll be walking like John Wayne for the next 10 minutes. Right, it's in here somewhere. I'm going to try and... God, I hope it's... Is this an easy thing to open? What's that? What's this about? Don't know. Christ, I might just be making this so much harder for myself. Use your brain, Adam. Right, okay, I can get in. I'm going to put the camera down somewhere and I'll try and flush the Blackbird out. Oh, God. Right, gate is open. Let's see if we can do this. Blackbird. There you go. Go. Go the other way. Go the other way. No. Come on. No. No. Come on. Go. Go. Oh, success! Yes! Just call me the Blackbird Whisperer. Ruined my bloody barnet though. Let's attempt to hurdle this. Looks like we've got some weather coming in. I felt 1 or 2 raindrops, so I'm not going to hang around. I trimmed most of the grass. I'll probably spend 5 minutes tidying up some of the longer bits. I think that'll do me for today. And I know you'll be glad once this video ends, so you can get back to... Well, you probably haven't made it this far, and I don't blame you. There's something better on TV. Alright, for those of you that have made it to the end of this scintillating video, thank you for watching. If you have, remember to like the video if you liked it. Please do subscribe to the channel, but most importantly, do comment down below. And until the next pathetic effort, bye for now.